Hello guys, welcome to our channel Pursuit of Opportunities. This video is based on Ikigai, which is a Japanese concept used to find purpose of our life. There is always something hidden within ourselves, but we are not aware of it. This concept will make you find your hidden talent, so make sure you watch the video till the very end. We all are confused about our career because we don't know where our interest lies. We don't know where our passion lies. This situation has been faced by many of us. If you are a student, you might be confused in choosing your stream or thoughts about your higher studies and all. If you are an employee, you must be thinking about switching your job or pursuing your own business. But before taking the next step, are you sure about your decision? Is the thing where your interest and your passion lies? Let me help you a bit in finding your interest. Not just interest, we will also find purpose of our life through a Japanese concept known as Ikigai. Ikigai means a reason of being. This is a process of discovery within ourselves. You may or may not be able to find your Ikigai today, and that's completely okay, because the whole point of this process is to get started. Why should you find yours? Because we all want to be happy, but most of us have no idea what we want to do. Finding your Ikigai means having a purpose in life that fulfills not just your desires but the world's needs as well. If it's something you love, you naturally want to do repeatedly every day. So let's start the process of finding your Ikigai. First of all, take a notebook and draw a horizontal line across 2 pages. This will divide the pages into 4 sections. It will represent the 4 circles which we have seen earlier in Ikigai diagram. Starting from the top left corner, write down these headers in every section in a counter-clockwise manner. What do you love? What do you good at? What can you get paid for? What does the world need? Fill the sections one by one. Make sure you don't take more than 30 minutes to fill all the sections. Start with the first section, what do you love? In these, write about things which you have never gotten bored of. What's something you have always been drawn back to do over time? What gets you in the flow that you forgot to eat or drink when you do it? Move to the next section, what are you good at? In this section, include skill which you have been spending time to practice. What do people look to you for help with? Is there anything you want to be good at? Then coming to the next section, what can you get paid for? What have you been paid for before? What would you be doing if you are not in your current job? What do you want to get paid for? At last, let's move to the last section, what does the world needs? Which is a bit tough as most people find it hard to answer. Let's make a bit simple. Instead of what the world needs, think about your world. Think about your immediate society and community, the reality you live in. How are the people like? What they do need? How can you contribute to create a positive effect on those around you? So at last, take a look at all the sections and see if there is anything you would like to add. Now let's move to interesting part of finding your ikigai. It is very simple. All you need to do is find one thing that is common in all four sections. That will be your ikigai, which you love the most. Some might be found in first go, and some will take days or maybe months, and that's perfectly okay. Take your time and ask yourself tough questions and answer them honestly, as finding ikigai is a constant process. Keep doing this exercise as many times you want and keep exploring different possibilities. We hope you find your ikigai. So, let us know how you felt after finding your ikigai and what was it in the comment section. Make sure don't forget to like and share this video within your friends and family. Please do subscribe our channel Pursuit of Opportunities and press bell icon so that you don't miss any video, as we will be posting such content regularly.